Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to map and prepare financial statement of a big data using Microsoft Excel. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and like this video. So we are going to analyze this table and hope we could find some similarities. Okay, so we can see there are revenues and cost of sales right about 438 entries. So we are going to analyze it. So if you want to go to the last cell that you populated, you control and press the down arrow. Yeah, for you to go to the up cell, the first cell, you control and press the up arrow. So we are going to filter this. So you select the entire cell, copy, and paste it right here. Okay. Don't know what the problem is, but let's just paste it here. So we are going to select again. Now when you want to highlight the entire column E, you press Control Shift and the down arrow to highlight the entire cells, and you Control C to copy. Then you go to the up tab, to the up cell by controlling up. You control and then press up button, and then when you want to paste, you Control V. Now this is our data. So you want to run out duplicates to know which cells are duplicates, so that we know how to prepare this financial statement. So when you want to delete duplicates, you highlight the entire cell and come to tab data, tab the run remove duplicates, entire column, select OK, and just like that we have our map data. So we are going to use sumif to sum all of the revenues and sumif to sum all of the cost of sales, and just run the entire formula towards the end. So we're going to is equals to sum if this one. So the range is from this to the last cell, comma. Always know that ranges must be locked. So in order to lock, you press Fn, then F4, Fn, F4 to lock it. Then the criteria, you only sum the revenues. And then the sum ranges is this. Control Shift. It's just that. Sorry, we'll use some ifs. So just come here and start with is equals sum ifs, open the bracket, open parentheses. So the sum range is this entire column. So you press this, then copy, then highlight it till the last cell. Then you must lock, all ranges must be locked. So that's our sum range. Our criteria range is this column. So you, sorry, Control Z, then I forgot to place a comma, then our criteria range is from here just up to there. Then you lock it. Then our criteria is the revenue. You only sum the revenue, then you lock, press enter. So since we locked the ranges, we'll come here and drag this here, and we have our data. So we can come here and prepare our income statement. So let's say future bookkeeping income statement for the year 2025. So future. So you can bold this by controlling B. Then you always start with the revenue. So replace is equals and this. So revenue amount is this amount. So the amount are in shillings. Then after that we less the cost of sales. So we can come here and put is equals negative this cost of sales, so that we get our gross profit. So the gross profit now will be the sum of the above sales. Since this was negative, so just sum the above sales. Enter. So this is our amount, and we come and add other incomes. Which is this amount. So the gross profit will be the sum of these two, come sum of those ones, enter. Then we'll come and less the expenses. So the first expense is finance cost. The next expense is finance cost. The next expense is taxes. The last expense, the final two expenses are operating expense and depreciation. So we come and take them, but in negative form. Take also these taxes. This is negative. Operating expenses, this also negative. Depreciation, this is also negative. So here we'll get our profit after VAT. It will be the sum of all this. So that's how you use sumifs to prepare a financial statement. Hope this video helped. and feel free to subscribe to my channel and have a lovely day.